Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Jaya Singh, Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, BBD COTS, BBDU. Today's lecture topic is Fundamentals in Tooth Preparation. Now, first, the definition of tooth preparation. Tooth preparation is the mechanical alteration of a defective, injured, or diseased tooth to receive a restorative material that reestablishes a healthy state for the tooth, including aesthetic correction where indicated and a normal form and function. Objectives of tooth preparation: to remove all defects and provide necessary protection to the pulp, extend the restoration as conservatively as possible, form the tooth preparation so that under the force of mastication, the tooth or the restoration or both will not fracture and the restoration will not